Yo, quick video trade I took today. Enter here, 577.58, 212 continuation off the last couple of days push up, 2-2 reversal, 2-2 continuation, consolidated, boom, all time highs today on SPY on this Friday. It was October 11th. Like I said, enter here 577.58. Took profit somewhere around let me see, 579.58, 54, right? We had an all-time high, 580.33, 2-2 reversal, right? Now, obviously, this would have been my target, push right on through that. I used the broadening formation as kind of my gauge, used the lower time frame to see how it reacted, and I let the chart kick me out. That's how simple it is, right? You go through these time frames and you just try to find where it is strat setups, right? That's basically all you do. 9:30, boom, 10:30 hit, 212 continuation. I'm sorry, that was actually on the 10th. We had a 2-2 reversal here on October 10th. And then into close, we had a 2-2 continuation. Came down this fair value gap. That's a whole nother conversation for ICT and push back out. But scrolling down on these other time frames, as you can see, 2-2 reversal, same thing. 15 minute, 15-minute chart, 2-2 reversal, 10-minute. I mean, not 2-2 reversal, 2-2 continuation. Continued the 2-2 continuation, broke that daily level. 7-minute, a 3-2, right? Pushed up into highs. 5-minute, uh, a 3-2 on a 3-minute. Yep, sometimes I usually do a 3-1-2. That was your strat set up there. I don't really trade off the 2-minute, but you can 3-1-2. And on the 1-minute, what do we have here? Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? What was the entry right here? And right here we had a 3-1-2 continuation and pushed on up. And I only put this here because I was just showing a fair value gap. Also, that's in my strategy. But mostly I use this high time frame to tell me when to get in and when to get out. Well, actually, when to enter and use those lower time frames as my gauge to when to get out, right? So that's how simple it is. Look at all these time frames while you once your entry breaks, you go through all these time frames, take a quick glance at them, take your entry, and let the lower time frames tell you when it's time to get out, right? So when you start to see some rejection, you know what I'm saying? So I got up here, seen some rejection. I said, okay, it's time to exit, right? Now I could have stayed in, came back down here, see how the fair value gap played out, put my stop loss here and profit over here, right? And then wrote it on out and see if we pushed up. And that's when we pushed up the highs to 580.33. So that's how simple the strat is, right? Use the higher time frames. Your daily, your weekly, wait for those levels to break. Look at the lower time frame, see how the strat setups are setting up. Take entry, take profit, in and out. Use your broad information so you can engage where we might get some rejection at and take profit at your target. It's just that simple. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Um, if you need help, get the course. I break down all these type of videos in there, and I got a pretty lengthy lesson and a lot of different things, how to set up your charts, everything to get started. Like I said, those inside candles in the strat is what I like to tell people to base off of. I can teach you how to trade in 30 minutes by using these inside candles and time frame continuity. And as you can see, time frame continuity was on our side from the yearly all the way down to the daily. So that let me know that buyers are present and they've been buying this thing all year, all quarter, all month, all week, all day. And on the hour time frame, it was buying it on the hour. So that let me know the algos are buying the ask and buying it now. And I knew that the this is pretty much what's going where it was going. We broke over here, early in the morning, and we broke this high or this inside candle here, and we got this explosion out of there, right? We was pretty high over, going red on the day, the 50 to 60 and the 15. And obviously we've been falling the green over these higher time frames. So when you need some help, hit me up. my link tree, all that descriptions in my bio and all of that. Get the course 101s or $55 if you need some help. I tell people get the course, run through that, learn all you can, take notes, and then hit me for a 101. So I'm not wasting your time, my time, or your money. So you already set up. You got a basic understanding from the course because I pack so much stuff in there and I add to it on a regular basis. And we can get you going, get you started. So that's that. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. Appreciate it. I'm out. Oh, and not only that, I did 230% on that trade. So yeah, 230% trade, got in at like $47, got out at like 137 per contract. So I mean, I held these contracts while I was in it for about a good 15 minutes. So it took me 15 minutes to uh basically get 230%. That's the power of the strat. Understanding when to get in, when to get out, and when to stop out, right? Because what we would have did was we would have stopped out at the bottom of this daily candle, right? That would have been our exit, right? Um, Probably more than likely would have stopped out basically right here at right below our entry, just to be on the safe side, because that'd been a um pretty nice drop. That would have been a $2 loss, and we wasn't going for that. So we probably used this 15-minute candle and entered here and probably like got out somewhere around here for, about a dollar move. So that's that. But the strat, you kind of adjust your stop loss depending on your risk, right? I normally like to stick around 20% on my loss because I'm always looking to gain about 50 to 100% with the strat A plus setups. So that being said, I'm out. Thanks for watching.